This is Mr. Brown and Bass coming at you at 2:30 in the morning. Some basshead insomnia. This is what's left of 2 sheets. My box. There's not enough wood to do what I really want. This is not mine. So this is. So I'm gonna have to make do with what I got. It's not what I want, but I think it'll work out. This here is a Port Max had for another project that didn't work out. They used something else instead. I think it's bigger. I'm not sure, but I'm using this one. The plan is to cut that into pieces to fit this to make the port the size that I need it. But we'll see.